Common Sense with Hadil. Follow Bright Media on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. Saudi Arabia has been always a friendly country for technology. In the Middle East, it's been one of the first countries to have internet networks available for its citizens with high efficiency and affordable prices. Twitter, that's a perfect social platform to express freely, and it has censorship on it in Turkey, Iran and North Korea, has more than 11 million active users from Saudi Arabia, where they launch political and social campaigns that can find its way to decision makers sometimes. In 2016, Saudi Arabia has launched an economic vision that goes beyond oil. In his US tour, Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has focused on attracting the biggest technological names to invest in Saudi Arabia. He wanted to put Apple, Google and MIT tools in the hands of the Saudi youth at home. Our team in the Dammam of Saudi Arabia has met with Ahmed, the star of coding, not only in Saudi Arabia but in the Middle East. Ahmed al-Saba, a 13-year-old kid, can turn any idea into a website or an application from A to Z. Ahmed al-Saba told me about the amazing application he's working on. He believes that it will be downloaded by each Saudi citizen to make their life easier, but he asked me not to tell you more about it because he wanted it to be a surprise. Ahmed, with his amazing English skills, will tell you more about how he learned how to code. And by the way, many kids in Saudi Arabia are very familiar with the American culture and the English language like Ahmed. And this is something that we'll discuss later in Common Sense.
Hi, my name is Ahmed and I'm 13 years old and I like to program. Ever since I was 9, I was interested in all kinds of technologies, from devices to websites to applications to video games. As for my life away from programming, I have a very happy life, a loving and caring family, and I have lots of hobbies, including swimming and football. Almost a year and a half ago, I started taking an interest in programming. Currently, I can build websites from A to Z, from scratch, all by myself. Currently, I'm 97% done with the school website. In our current generation, which is the generation of the 2030 vision, which has opened lots of doors for us to learn and all what we wanted and all the support it has given us. Actually, I want to also talk about the MISC Foundation initiatives, because it's an important part of the 2030 vision. It has provided us so much, from lessons to learn to opportunities, whether it be study opportunities or job opportunities. Ever since I started to program, I felt my mind changing its way of thinking. I started to think more creatively, and my mental state started to feel different. I started to feel more creative, more like I can create something, I can make a difference. We have a large community here in Saudi Arabia, especially in technology. And I believe with the potential it has, it can one day sell its own technologies made by national hands. We have the potential, we have the innovative national hands, and I believe that we can one day create our own technology that can compete with large companies like Apple and Google.
Every week, I'll have a new story for you from the Middle East, where youth are full of dreams and potential. See you next week. This is Common Sense.